how to fix friends' stories are not showing on Facebook. So if you want to fix friends' stories are not showing on your Facebook, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your app store, and from the app store you need to go with search and search for Facebook. Once you search for Facebook, if you have any updates on your Facebook, just go and update it. The next solution is you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, your problem might be fixed. Or the next thing you can do is go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. You need to do this on your friend's device. If you're not being able to see your friend's stories, then you need to take your friend's device and then open their Facebook, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Scroll down and go with audience and visibility, and then go with stories and tap on who can see your stories. And if your friends have selected custom friends, and if you have not been included in that custom friends, then you won't be able to see their stories. So make sure that your friend has selected public or either friends. Or the other reason that you're not being able to see your friends' stories is because they might have hidden their stories from you, or they may have blocked you. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.